कहाँ बुलाया इसने यार?
Exactly.
पता नहीं कहाँ बैठ के धुआं छोड़ रहा है।
अरे कोई है यहाँ पर?
कोई है?
हेलो।
हेलो।
ओह
मस्ती,
हाय।
डबल मस्ती,
यार ये
ट्रिपल मस्ती।
Great grand मस्ती.
भूतिया एंट्री थी यार।
बिल्कुल, पीछे भी हमारे भूत हमारे बड़े साथ दोस्त आए हुए हैं।
जबरदस्त।
ओह वाह।
पर आज मेरे साथ these three super 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 fun people, पर थोड़ा सा डर लगा,
अरे
Yes.
बहुत ज्यादा डर लगा।
फटे हाल बुरे हाल।
Like the Friday before release.
देखा देखा ऐसी है। ये फ्राइडे की भी बात करेंगे। उर्वशी looking as gorgeous as ever.
Thank you.
विवेक ओबरॉय with a lovely new look of yours. ये पुराने जमाने के एरोल फ्लिन, रॉबिन हुड जैसे हॉलीवुड एक्टर्स लग रहे हैं।
नाम ले लिया सर, एरल फ्लिन।
Love it. And Ritesh sir with your Zulf. I love this hairstyle of yours. We talk a lot about your hairstyle for many years.
ये
But you know आपके ये घने बालों का राज क्या है सर? ये जरा बताएं हमें।
ये तो विग बनाने वाला ही बोल सकता है।
उसका हर को-स्टार जल जल के पूछता है उससे।
Yes. Urvashi, have you seen, is Ritesh somebody who spends a lot of time doing his hair and his makeup and all, or is he very fast?
अरे इनको अपने मेकअप से फुर्सत मिले तो
बहुत खिंचाई होगी ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे। ठीक है चलो बताओ।
I'm used to it, but he's very careless. I mean, he doesn't. I mean, he's more focused on his lines and everything. Yeah.
I'm
Only on his lines.
I thought I care about you guys. How can you call
No,
me
careless like towards his looks and whatever. Like.
Actually, he doesn't care about it at all.
Like
अच्छा,
carefree you mean?
But
Yeah,
Ritesh,
carefree.
tell me something.
जी.
Now that you are, आपका ये carefree attitude जो
जी.
है, but ये tell me ये method behind the madness होता है या do you just appear like this? Are you one of those students जो पूरी रात चाट करके आ रहे हैं and then when they get 100 they say
देखो मैं एक बात बता, मैं पूरी रात चाट के नहीं आता हूँ।
अच्छा।
लेकिन
I forget it's great grand मस्ती and he'll catch every word that I say. आप किताबें चाट करके आते थे
सिर्फ बताना चाहता हूँ
इतना भी specify करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
जी जी
कि सुबह आओ जैसे बाल है वैसे बाल है, जो टी शर्ट है पहन कर आ जाओ। ये जीन्स और ये जूते तो मैं घर से लेके आया।
वाह
Say, bro, it's my bedhead look.
बेर हेड।
Yeah, bedhead.
and you all are just coordinated just like that.
Yeah.
Is it?
हाँ ये तो पता नहीं।
Beautiful white.
Beautiful white.
Yeah.
It looks like we're going for a bit of a wedding right now. Great
White
grand
wedding.
मस्ती आपको शर्म नहीं आई दोबारा करते हुए? जब पिछली बार मैं इनसे मिला था, you know, Urvashi, I tell you, last time when I met them, they were hiding, and of course they made 200,000 crores with that. Congratulations on that once again. Who says the films don't sell? They only sell.
Right.
I was sitting in the front row, and I remember watching press screening, and they all saying, "ची ची, पता नहीं क्या आ रहा है, पता नहीं और क्या हो रहा है, next क्या हो रहा है, oh ची ची, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है." But really, that was a, I think in India, it was a slap for all the prudes, so as to say, at that point of time. I remember you all told me, I'm not too sure how this film will do, and when it made 100 crores, did you just die looking at the box office numbers?
No,
Vivek?
I'll tell you, there were a couple of learnings from the movie. The one thing was the fact that you know, we were not sure because we had really pushed the envelope while doing Grand Masti. We were not sure how people are going to react to the film. But you know, when a film it was the only adult film that did 100 crores.
Correct.
Okay, the film that does such a huge business, it's not only because people think अरे youth जाके देख रहे हैं, वो 18 साल के लड़के जाके देख रहे हैं, सिर्फ वो नहीं है। बहुत सारी families ने जाकर ये enjoy किया है। मुझे पता है societies की सारी औरतें इकट्ठा जाकर देखती थी,
अरे वाह।
सारे मर्द अलग बैठकर देखते थे।
आपकी तो बहुत सारी ऐसी फिल्में देखी है सर।
हाँ।
एक के बाद एक आती रहती है।
No, that's not true anymore. But picking up from where Ritesh left it, I remember on the Saturday of the release, I was in Delhi, and it was a PVR theater. They said कि sir चलना है अंदर. I said ठीक है, crowd कितना है? I said sir packed crowd है. I said ladies कितनी है? He said sir maybe 50% or more. So I said यार जूते पड़ेंगे because this was in the interval, right? And it's Delhi, and you know how Delhi women can get aggressive. Sandalwood निकाल के फेंक दिया सीधा. जूते वूते पड़ेंगे यार. I went in like this, and it was incredible because there were groups, मतलब 30-30, 40-40 लेडीज की ग्रुप्स बनी हुई थी that had come just to see the film together. हम हस्बैंड को घर छोड़ के आए, हमने कहा हमको ये फिल्म
ये सावन उत्सव चल रहा है.
So they were having so much fun. Ladies सीटियां बजा रही थी. That to me was an eye opener that if you don't take yourself too seriously and you know how to have fun and laugh about it, the world will laugh with you.
Actually, I do think that Indians do like to have fun. They just don't like to show people that they're having fun.
Which is true.
That's the best
And
part.
I also think that we very well even appreciate the fact that some people who think that अरे ये पिक्चर हमारे लिए नहीं है, fair enough. आपके लिए नहीं है, please मत देखिए. लेकिन जिसके लिए है, आकर देखिए. There's a lot of fun in there.
और वो बहुत सारे हैं You enter the fray, Urushi. आपकी खूबसूरती के बारे में एक तो first of all 7 feet 2 inches tall. You're such a tall and imposing figure out there. You come into this franchise and you're a sex bomb. ये दुनिया जानती है. You come in there, but there's a different element also into this. Did you have any apprehension? सोची थी should I do it or should I not do it? ये सब थोड़ा सा.
See, I'm a sort of a person who don't like to talk about past. But I would say that this is my honor and privilege. I've been saying this, all over.
To act with these two boys.
Yeah, to all three of them.
How are you?
But yeah, it is.
Honor में to act with these two boys.
इन दोनों के साथ
ये बहुत sweet है, but
No,
senior
but
actors,
see,
yeah.
Masti itself is such a super successful franchise,
Correct,
and
correct,
it's a dream come true. I'm not really talking about because of the reason because I'm working with all such amazing star cast.
Thank you.
Ritesh, Vivek, and
Thank you.
Aftab.
We love
They
you
all
too.
are so amazing. My director, he's immensely, incredibly talented and so amazing director. But also because of the fact that because I also got to do this is a very challenging part which
Yeah.
I'm portraying in the film. She's like the crux of the story,
Yeah.
and entire story moves and revolves towards her.
Actually, for you
Around
only,
her.
we've created all these ghosts.
Thank you so much.
It is born for this.
Thank you so much
Yeah.
for all this, for all the effort.
Yeah.
So ये कहानी की एक तरीके से जान है. तो कहानी में एक तरीके से इतने सारे emotions करना, she's romancing also, all these handsome guys.
Yeah.
और उसके साथ साथ इमोशन भी दिखाया गया है, कॉमेडी भी है, एक्शन भी है करने को. तो आई थिंक हर एक एक्टर की लाइफ में एक वो पॉइंट होता है जहाँ पे डिफरेंट वो करना चाहता है.
Correct.
मुझे नहीं पता था कि मेरी लाइफ में इतनी जल्दी आ जाएगा. जैसे कि विवेक की बात करते तो एज गैंगस्टर, ओ माय गॉड, ही इज सो अमेजिंग इन
Thank you,
कंपनी.
that's
आई
really
जस्ट
sweet.
लव
Who was?
and Ritesh in Ekvillain, I loved him.
That's true, actually.
So I think those two films are like
say thank
कि
Thank you, Urvashi.
being
That's
very
so
I mean,
kind.
not to say
Compliments
thank you,
and praise.
but
Thank you.
those two films I think
Who was the most naughty on the set? तीनों में. हाँ.
तीनों.
हाँ, आपको इधर देख के बताना पड़ेगा. Who's the most naughty?
actually Aftab was on the very sincere side,
Oh.
and both of them are very like
Very naughty, is it? Is it?
Yeah, very naughty.
अच्छा, now Ritesh, has he changed? Vivek, has he changed a little bit? बहुत time हो गया थोड़ा सा मिले हुए विवेक से.
You know, I think Grand Masti के बाद, right from Masti 1, where Vivek was slightly more sophisticated and me and Aftab were doing all the rubbish. Grand Masti
थोड़ा खुल गए.
देखो यार, चलो मैं भी कर लूँगा. इस पिक्चर हमको पीछे छोड़ के मैं यहाँ पे हूँ.
सारी दिल की तमन्नाएं पूरी कर दी.
I in fact, I realized Vivek Oberoi's sense of humor. In an early interview, I said his humor is put you in spot humor. Yeah, कि ये कुछ बोल देगा poker face, and then the ball is in your court. You have to react.
Actually, that's true. Every time Vivek says, "Hi, buddy, what's up?" मैंने कुछ बोला तो नहीं, मैंने कुछ किया तो नहीं.
Correct.
No, I'm just saying, "Hi, how are you?"
In poker sense humor.
See, again he's making fun of
Yeah.
me. But anyway, it works. Ritesh, you're happy to come back to this franchise. A lot of people said, "Oh my God, ये तो लड़कों के बीच में बड़ा humor हो रहा है." Great Grand Masti में.
Right.
जहाँ Grand Masti में लड़कियों के साथ बड़ा humor था,
जी.
इसमें एक अलग ही पहलू आ गया था. Did you get mixed reactions on the trailer? Who were your best friends then who liked that film and then came back and said, I like this one too?
No, I think interestingly the reaction was कि क्या है कि एक ही चीज़ को आप ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच करोगे ना तो फिर उसमें कुछ मज़ा नहीं है. तो जब तक आपके पास नई कौड़ी जो हम बोलते हैं अगर ना हो फिल्म में तो इट्स नॉट. सो द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट वाज इट्स अ नॉटी हॉरर कॉमेडी. So you're talking about a new genre in terms of कि scary भी है, threat भी है, funny भी है और कमाल की naughty भी है. तो I think that's fun.
Who's the naughtiest among the three of you? I know he's gone ahead, but who supposedly should have been the naughtiest?
No, I think the naughtiest is Indra Kumar, the director.
Yeah,
Our director.
he's totally the naughtiest.
Yeah, he's the naughtiest.
Followed by Urvashi.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, she looks the most sincere.
Bro, you have no idea how naughty she is.
Really?
Very naughty.
They're really
But it's a good thing actually. In a naughty film, if she's naughty, she's actually perfect.
Yeah.
Congratulations on another brilliant franchise. I have a feeling that this is going to make a lot of money also. But when you were coming into this, I heard rumors of you getting some gazillion dollars. Is that true?
True.
Absolutely true.
It is.
Yeah.
Was that what switched it for you, or were you just happy to be part of the franchise?
It was only up to signing.
And then after that, what happened?
Sorry?
After you signed the check and after you signed the big notes that came in there, what really sort of clicked it for you? Inder Kumar and his amazing storyline? Or was it Vivek?
ये देखो दो चीज़ प्रोड्यूसर ने लिखा मेरे को कि ये स्क्रिप्ट है, ये चेक है, क्या देखना पसंद करोगे? मैंने बोला चेक दिखाओ. स्क्रिप्ट कौन देखता है? चेक दिखाओ. चेक लिया, घर गया. चेक लिया, घर गया
और विवेक जी?
चेक को मैंने बैंक में डाला, चेक को मैंने बैंक में डाला, फिर
Now he's a family man. He has to think about such
इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की
As you can see, and was they like this on the set every day? ऐसे रहते थे ये दोनों.
Yeah, it used to be a lot of fun. Yeah.
And what about Aftab? Aftab
I
बीच
used to
में?
keep on like I used to laugh all the time.
Really?
All the time.
Aftab बड़े serious हो जाते हैं बीच में.
After here, like right now, he was always hanging around.
नहीं कौन आफ्ताब,
बेचारा सूख गया है आप लोगों के साथ रह के
कौन
बड़ा.
आफ्ताब,
अच्छा.
वो यार वो
वैसे
कैसे friends हैं?
why have you excluded him? उनका रोल कटवा दिया आप लोगों ने. अच्छा आप वो सब करने लग गए हैं.
आफ्ताब?
अच्छा.
कौन?
अच्छा ठीक है. तो now basically as you notice बेचारा ट्रेलर के बाद he is no longer visible in the film. These two have hogged all the limelight and they have come in there. In between the film, this time was there any awkwardness at all? पिछली बार आपने बोला था there were a few scenes once in a while. Okay, let's do it. This time?
नहीं वो सारे काट दिए हमने.
नहीं actually when we came to do we thought of doing Great Grand Masti. The concept was amazing, so we thought कि यार और हमें पता था कि सेंसर बोर्ड में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं.
Anticipating.
पूरी पिक्चर ही सेंसर बोर्ड में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती
Anticipating
है.
बेल ले ली पहले.
तो पहले ही हमने समझदारी से फिल्म बनाई कि जितना नॉटीनेस हमको चाहिए. तो आई थिंक दिस फिल्म विल बी एंजॉयड even more by the family audience.
Wider audience, I think.
Wider
A wider audience.
Yeah, so I want to ask you this, Vivek. Do you think that although it's worked, do you think that we're going to reach a stage where it'll be very tough to make films like this in the future? There's so much of schooling
No,
and
I don't
policing.
think so. I don't think so. I think, see, as far as Great Grand Masti is concerned, we actually even took a conscious call creatively. All of us got together, the whole core team got together and said, yeah, let's try and focus more on a situational comedy. I mean, it's a funny situation. Three guys who think there's this hot girl and मैं पटाऊंगा नहीं, मैं पटाऊंगा, इसको अटकाऊंगा, उसको फंसाऊंगा.
yeah.
That whole thing's going on until you realize, oh shit, she's a ghost.
Yeah.
Now what?
और
now you're
अब
trying
वो
to...
बोल रही है कि मुझे आपके साथ रहना है, हम लोगों ने हमको नहीं रहना है.
And we're trying to fuss each other.
आप लोग डिसाइड करो क्योंकि जो मेरे साथ आएगा वो मेरे साथ ऊपर चला जाएगा.
अच्छा.
तो इट्स लाइक
इतना तो हमने वो देखा था, but उसके बाद so this is not is veering away from the sex comedy. As such, there's just some situations. Some of them.
no,
are quite
I
flagrant.
think the situation is strong enough, and there is a lot of
And also
masala.
Puns, but
This,
I think this time we decided that we wanted to not do humor that was too direct or abrasive in any way, which Grand Masti became at certain parts. We thought let's be creative and let's try and be funny rather than be shocking. Because you can only shock people once. Grand Masti did that. Now you have to learn to be creative and make it just funny and make people laugh and make them enjoy it, and that was the idea with this.
Have you seen Grand Masti?
yes, I've seen Masti as well, Grand Masti. So yes.
It will be now because it's part of the franchise.
Yeah. So I mean, she is not a normal ghost. First
Yeah.
of all, she is a virgin ghost. That's
Yes,
the-
that word is a very big word in India.
Yeah.
A lot of stars have wanted to use that also. It becomes very funny after a point of time. But now you're a virgin ghost and you have to be finding a suitor. So when you were, do you listen to the narration or did somebody just say कि भाई Grand Masti में you're going to be the ghost? एक तो ghost कहाँ से आया? Secondly, you want to be part of Grand Masti. Did you just say yes without thinking?
No, not actually. I mean, I knew about the character. I knew about the entire story, and there is a story behind it, like how she becomes. That is also a story.
And now that the film has come out, have you seen portions of the film?
A little bit.
Only
While
a little
dubbing,
bit.
yeah.
And you've seen the film
Entirely.
entirely? Do you think that it
Talk
can?
about
It really? Has he seen the whole film?
All of us have seen it.
Why does he look so shocked?
We all saw the film and we decided ये रखना है ये नहीं रखना है.
अच्छा.
अच्छा ये रितेश की सीन है इसको रखना है, ये विवेक की सीन है इसको रखना है, उर्वशी की कुछ रख लेते हैं.
अच्छा.
आफ्ताब काट दो आफ्ताब के सीन सारे.
Sir,
You
report card आप दीजिए. You are the most experienced.
मैंने हाउसफुल 3 नहीं देखी, मैंने ग्रैंड मस्ती नहीं देखी.
Yes,
You are very good. Very good in house.
House three नहीं देखी.
No, I have not seen the film, so.
But you should see the film. वहाँ भी 100 crore कमा लिए. You're making quite a few 100 crores.
Yeah, man.
100 crores.
You're rising up the ladder also. You know that,
Slowly,
right?
slowly.
No, but have you become like that? Have you started checking some numbers at all now?
No, numbers I checked, but I didn't watch the movie. So
Why? But why didn't you watch Houseful?
see, I haven't seen Grand Masti because while release I was shooting some movie in London. I didn't watch Houseful.
Okay.
And I haven't yet.
Please don't watch Great Grand Masti.
You've not seen Grand Masti.
Please don't watch Great Grand Masti. I think that's.
He's lying. He's
No,
lying.
No, he's not lying.
He's seen Grand Masti.
Edited Grand Masti.
अच्छा.
वो
जो टीवी पर आई थी.
वो तो क्या ग्रेट ग्रैंड मस्ती कट.
I think that's lucky if you don't watch that movie. So he should.
No,
better
he
not.
showed both those films made 100 crores. I think, yeah, actually, don't continue with that zone.
Yeah, DVD पे देख लूँगा.
Now, when you come to this, are you somebody who watches a lot of WhatsApp jokes every day? Do you guys pass it on to each other and all? Normally, लोगों का एक सबसे बड़ा वो होता है, WhatsApp jokes are being used too often. Are there lots of WhatsApp jokes in this?
You know, I don't think there are many WhatsApp jokes because a lot of the jokes came on the spot. A lot of things came up because
Yeah.
the three of us have built a chemistry, a camaraderie over the years. We do have our own silly personal WhatsApp group in which we share all the silliest, funniest, stupidest jokes and we pull pranks on each other.
We can't.
I wonder who's part of that WhatsApp group.
They used to invent jokes.
अच्छा,
Just three people.
I will show you the name of the group.
बाबा रामदेव group है. अच्छा,
Okay, we can't tell you the name of the group also,
remember that
but,
video?
बाद में.
but having said that, so coming back to the script,
Yeah.
a lot of the things were improvised. And that you can't get from WhatsApp. You can get some punchlines, you can get, you know, an idea from here or there. But in terms of a situation, now what's going to happen? Now, you know, you're trying to avoid being with the ghost and suddenly your friend does dhoka with you. He puts Viagra in the milkshake and, you know, gives it to you. How are you going to get out of that situation?
Then also, it was improvised on set. Okay, I'm taking 2 glasses and I have to give them Viagra. So I put 2 tablets and I said, "Hey, let me put more." And I'm about to walk, the glasses start becoming big. I'm like, this is working. So, the idea, this is improvised, right?
No, you can't find that on WhatsApp.
Yeah, it is improvised. Isko kar sakte, then we got the VFX guy.
because you can't describe it on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Viagra दूध में जब गया तो दूध एकदम राइज करना शुरू हो
दूध
गया.
नहीं, पूरा glass
Glass
में
में
पूरा glass की rise होने लग गया. Anyway, like I said, there's so much that I would want to actually discuss. You know?
I think it was Suhagra or something. I don't know what the Viagra.
Suhagra, it was Suhagra, sorry.
That was not improvised. That was
Sorry,
actual part of the script. But in your life, do you believe in ghosts?
I do, yeah.
I
First
do.
of all, you believe in
Yes,
ghosts?
I do.
Yeah, I do.
You believe in
I believe in Urushi.
Truly.
Thank you
in
so
the film,
much.
yes.
Deeply.
So I've got a bit of a WhatsApp question,
Okay.
which is going to be rapid fire,
Okay.
which I'm going to present to you right away.
Okay.
एक सवाल आप लोगों से पूछा जाएगा, okay?
Okay.
ये तीनों से वही सवाल है?
नहीं, तीनों से अलग-अलग सवाल पूछा जाएगा.
जी. अभी
Bro,
तो
wait,
अभी तो
where we
सवाल
gone?
मैं आप लोगों में से एक-एक सवाल करूंगा,
जी.
जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला था,
हाँ जी.
and एक सवाल का जवाब एक ही पर्सन देगा.
जी.
Are you ready for the rapid fire?
Yeah, we are ready.
मुझे भी ऐसे लगता है कि ये सारे सवालों का जवाब एक ही पर्सन देगा.
नहीं. अगर आप तीनों ने एक-एक सही सवाल नहीं दिया मुझे, सॉरी जवाब, तो मैं आपको जाने नहीं दूंगा. Is that clear?
Oh, this is like Vikram and Betal.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
ओके, सबसे पहले कौन देगा?
सबसे पहले
रितेश.
आप लोग डिसाइड करो.
उर्वशी.
Vivek.
Okay.
आप देना
उर्वशी,
चाहती?
लेडीज
सवाल?
फर्स्ट.
लेडीज फर्स्ट.
No.
सबसे अश्लील एक्टर इन तीनों में से पूरी फिल्म में एक्टिंग वाइज कौन था?
कोई भी नहीं.
गलत जवाब. एक ऑप्शन लेना पड़ेगा. 1, 2 और 3. सबसे अश्लील जोक्स इस फिल्म में किसने मारी थी?
मेरे साथ किसी ने भी नहीं.
अगेन रॉन्ग आंसर. एक को तो आपको चूज करना पड़ेगा.
We're going to be around here for a long time.
Doesn't matter. We're gonna have to wait for the right answer. जैसे कि मैंने बोला, जब तक आप सही जवाब नहीं देंगे तब तक आपको जाने नहीं दिया
Yeah,
जाएगा.
now his turn.
नहीं, आप ही के जवाब है. सबसे नॉटी, सबसे 16-year-old, सबसे खराब, सबसे
जो यहाँ नहीं उसका नाम.
कोई एक जवाब दे दो.
क्या?
Actually, that's a good idea.
जो यहाँ नहीं उसका नाम ले लो.
Okay, my cousin sister.
विनी.
Mini?
हाँ?
Yeah.
Mini? अरे बेचारी मिनी बहुत बुरा मान
understood the
जाएगी.
question.
अच्छा, now we pass. I think ये pass
I think इधर रहना
We are
चाहती
passed
है.
out.
Pass it to Ritesh.
इनकी cousin sister भी पिक्चर में है.
We passed out long ago.
Okay, now विवेक ओबरॉय.
इंद्रायणी
Sir.
कुमार.
सर, आपने इस वक्त कौन से कलर की अंडरवेयर पहन रखी है?
मैंने इस वक्त ये सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे सकता क्योंकि मैंने इस वक्त अंडरवेयर नहीं पहनी.
सर, आपको पता है ना, मुझे कन्विंस होना पड़ेगा.
You can check, baby.
आपके साथ में घोस्ट बैठी है. I'll just take her word. for
पर्दे
it.
के पीछे.
ठीक है.
I have supernatural powers.
And she has said yes. Okay.
विवेक has natural powers.
अभी हम तीसरे
I
सवाल
said
पर चलते
विवेक has
हैं.
natural powers.
विवेक इज ऑल कमांडो. रितेश देशमुख,
जी.
आपने पिछले 1 महीने में कब अपने चेस्ट को वैक्स किया था?
अच्छा, chest.
नहीं, एक बार भी नहीं.
आपकी छाती पे बाल नहीं आते?
आ रहे.
And you pass with flying colors.
तेल मल मल के कर रहा है मेहनत हो.
His questions were good.
Aavle ka til. No, but you haven't asked.
But they
Urvashi
can't
a
ask you Bal wala question to you.
They can. Why not?
What do you mean?
She might have an
No,
opinion on
but
it.
he didn't ask the same question.
Oh, your voice is so loud. आप लोग वैसे ही डर जाते हैं.
Bro, I love this appear and disappear thing.
बहुत
Yeah,
ही बढ़िया जवाब दिया आपने.
Thank you.
सारे
Thank
दोस्त यहाँ
you.
पे आपके लिए तालियां मार रहे हैं. Vivek,
was
you
never
are the
easy.
winner, hands down.
Thank you.
Correct. Pants down.
Hands down.
Hands down. No, not hands down for him considering that he's.
Okay, and what's the prize?
The prize is a chaddi because he doesn't have one.
Yeah.
Sorry. A nice red one. It's actually visible from a really far away. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me.
Cheers, man.
It was
Thank
a real
you.
pleasure.
Thank you.
It's always fun.
And Urvashi, thank you so much for joining me. But as
Yes.
is customary, आज के social media age में I must take a selfie.
Lovely.
Oh, wow.
So I'm going to take a
I love
selfie.
You love selfies.
Yeah, absolutely. And yeah.
Okay, thoda left.
Just,
thoda right.
Just a
thoda-
little
Thoda
bit.
left, yeah. Abhi? Okay, I'm clicking now, huh?
Great. Fantastic. Outstanding, bro.
There's nobody in the frame. I will see you again soon. पिक्चर में ऐसी कुछ होता है, सब गायब हो जाते हैं. Till the next time, Salil on Star Stop with my three guests. Thank you so much, Vivek, for joining me. Thank you so much, Ritesh and Urvashi. It was a real pleasure. It's the Emperor's clothes here.